We're here at 4610 Densmore Avenue in Encino, just south of Ventura Blvd. I love this area. It's one of those neighborhoods in Encino that really hasn't changed over the years. It's upscale, it's safe, there's great schools, and with all the new shops and restaurants on Ventura Blvd, it's always a lot of fun. This is one of my favorite 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse-style condos on the market. When you walk in, you have an amazing open space that feels like a loft. There's also oversized sliding glass doors that lets in a lot of light. And I love that there's no one living above you. The unit has central AC and heat, skylights, the closets have great built-in drawers and cabinets, there's balcony access, in-unit washer and dryer, and what's really great is that pets are welcome. Now, the complex is laid out very nicely. The pool, club room, and barbecue area are all next to each other, so it's a great place for outdoor entertaining. There's also side parking with secured access and a lot of overnight guest parking. So if you're looking for a condo in an upscale, safe, and fun neighborhood, and you're looking for a great value, this just might be the condo for you.